Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to check where you're signed in and detect unauthorized logins with your Google account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the website address google.com. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture, initial icon, or Google account avatar. From there, click explicitly on the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. If you entered your main account panel, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar layout and click directly on the tab named Security and Sign In. Scroll down through the Security Settings page until you locate the dashboard section labeled Your Devices. Click directly on the row link at the bottom of that panel labeled Manage All Devices. The system interface layout will instantly display a complete list of every phone, tablet, and computer session currently holding an active login token. Click on any device card row to review critical metadata details, including the device model name, browser type, exact active location, and the precise timestamp of its last background synchronization. If you spot a device architecture you don't own, or a strange city location you haven't visited, click directly on that unfamiliar item. Tap explicitly on the Sign Out button inside its Properties panel and confirm your choice to instantly break its active session framework and lock out the intruder. If you did find an intruder, immediately change your main account password and run a full Google security checkup to lock down your recovery metrics completely. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.